Hello students, welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. This is Naresh Sharma, your English teacher. This video is devoted to class 12. Today we will study lesson 3 of prose. The Secret of Health, Success and Power by James Allen. In this lesson the author has described what is the secret of health, success and power. The lessons, the secret of health, success and power deals with attaining health, success and power. According to the author, these three assets of human life are interlinked and they can be attained if one has genuine faith in goodness and unyielding purity. According to the author, if you are strong enough and our thoughts are pure and positive, the chances of disease are very less, because there is nothing which can feed the ground of disease. On the other hand, if we give into anger, greed, jealousy and any other inharmonious state of mind, and we expect perfect health, so the writer is saying here that we are expecting for the impossible, because these are the seeds for disease. Suppose we are angry, we are in tension, we cannot do any work properly. If we are worried, our work will not be done well. If we are jealous of anyone, we cannot remain happy. If we are greedy, our desires will never be satisfied. So this way the writer has suggested all the readers that we should always be away from these evils of human life. These are the evils which can destroy your happiness. So the writer has suggested all the humanity that we should never be angry, never be worried, never be jealous of anyone, and never be greedy. One thing more, the writer advises us to entertain joyful and loving thoughts, because they are the elixir of goodwill. If we always think joyfully, if our thoughts are happy, we will feel happiness. And if we are happy, our work will be done well. The work, whether it is mental or physical, it will be done properly if we are happy internally. And a happy worker can retain good health. So what is the secret of health? The secret of health is pure heart and well ordered mind. It means if our heart is pure and our mind, our thoughts are well ordered, we will secure our health. What is the secret of success? One can get success only when he is of firm determination and he has wisely directed purpose. If his purpose is wrong, he will not achieve success. What is the secret of power? The secret of power lies in our discipline. If we are self-disciplined, we will never be angry, we will never be passionate, because passion is the abuse of power. The author has compared passion in this lesson to the furious storm. When a storm blows, it tries to destroy each and everything. And the real power lies with the massive rock which uh, which is always fixed at the same place. It does not move from its place. It bears all the blows of furious storm. So the real power is with the massive rock, not with the furious storm. Furious storm is the symbol of abuse of power. Many people complain that our health has broken down. The author suggests them that your health has broken down not for the overwork, because he has said that the work, whether it is mental or physical, it is always useful. But the work should be done by a well-ordered mind. So this way the author James Allen has tried to teach us what is the real secret of health, success and power. Thank you.